For a 1 minute video, tell me why I should do voiceover like 10 times before I could just take the last one as I'm going to take it for the way it is. And this is the last one I'm taking. Like, after how many attempts of making voiceover? Come on, stop it, ja. So we're going to use this one like that, even if there is error, there is stammering, there is whatever. But the fact is, glue your eyes, glue it to the screen and see what I'm creating there. It's a simple scarf. It has been done over and over again, but I'm still sharing it because no matter how simple it seems to you, some people don't know it, and whenever they come across this video, they're gonna learn it and practice it, and it's gonna be perfect. So if you haven't learned this, learn it because it's a simple, beautiful scarves, head wrap. If you tie them perfectly, they elevate your look. That is the fact. So if you're a scarf lover, you can try this one out and thank me later. Do you want this tutorial about this makeup? Tell me yes in the comments.